Here's a mysterious invention that continues to intrigue and baffle historians, scientists, and the general public. Such inventions are often shrouded in mystery regarding their origin, purpose, or method of creation. The Antikythera Mechanism is one such marvel. This ancient Greek device is often referred to as the world's first analog computer. It was used to predict astronomical events. The complexity of this invention was far ahead of its time, with no known technology of that era to replicate it. Its inventor remains unknown. One of the most mysterious inventions, the Antikythera Mechanism, was among the wreckage retrieved from a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera in 1901. In 1902, archaeologist Valerios Stias identified it as containing a gear. In 2005, a team from Cardiff University used computer X-ray tomography and high-resolution scanning to image the inside fragments of the crust-encased mechanism and read the faintest inscriptions that once covered the outer casing. Who built it? Was it a lone genius or the work of a forgotten civilization? Why was this groundbreaking technology lost for centuries? And the biggest question, are there more devices like this waiting to be discovered? Could the ancient Greeks have built the first computer? Let's break down the Antikythera Mechanism, its groundbreaking design, and why it's a marvel even today. First, what is the Antikythera Mechanism? It's an analog computer made of bronze gears and dials designed around 150 BCE. With over 30 gears, it could predict eclipses, track celestial movements, and even account for the irregularities in the moon's orbit. Scientists liken it to modern astronomical clocks, but it predates them by 1,500 years. The Antikythera Mechanism was found in 1901, but only in recent decades have scientists understood its complexity. With over 30 interlocking gears, it predicted celestial events with astonishing accuracy. But here's the thing, nothing else like it has ever been found from the ancient world. Discovered in a shipwreck in 1901, its importance wasn't recognized until X-ray imaging in the 21st century revealed the inner workings. Each gear was carefully aligned to mimic celestial cycles. Inscriptions even referenced events like the ancient Olympics. Modern technology has helped researchers uncover its secrets. X-ray imaging revealed over 30 intricate gears, some so small they could fit on your fingertip. The inscriptions on the mechanism suggest it was used to teach astronomy or assist sailors in navigation. But the biggest question remains, was the Antikythera Mechanism a one-of-a-kind invention, or were there others waiting to be discovered? Here's the twist. This level of engineering wasn't seen again until the 18th century. How did the Greeks manage such precision? Some believe this wasn't a standalone invention, but part of a now lost tradition of ancient engineering. Could there be more mechanisms hidden under the sea? Some experts link it to Archimedes, while others believe it was a tool for teaching navigation. Could it have been part of a larger collection of lost devices? Or was it stolen during war and sunk with the ship? But here's the mystery. How could the ancient Greeks build something so advanced? The craftsmanship and precision of the gears are comparable to 18th century clockmaking. No other civilization of that era had anything remotely similar. Was this the work of a lone genius? Or perhaps a lost technology that vanished with time? History and science collide in the Antikythera Mechanism, reminding us of how much we've yet to learn about the ancient world. What do you think? Could there be more Antikythera-like mechanisms hidden in the depths of the sea? Let us know your theories in the comments. Subscribe for more detailed dives into inventions that shaped and shocked human history.